Hi there again, this is Andreas. I'm going to give you the next update on my single speed bike. I'm talking about the frame today. So this is the frame after a little bit of work. I have picked this frame up, abandoned somewhere near a train station in Shanghai. I have meanwhile taken everything off. This is the naked frame. I have washed the frame. Just nothing fancy, just use kitchen foam with a little bit of abrasive to get this super grime off of the last 30 years. So it's a Feng, who can say that? It's a Feng Huang frame, has a nice little head badge still on it. It's all original paint and it's all original patina. There's still a little bit of dirt on it, but 95% of it has gone. It's a very crude, simple frame. It's quite heavy. It is very soft steel and it's very easy to work with. Here you see the holes of the mechanical brake that I will retain because I think it's just cool. The thread hopefully will bolt on some sealed beam cartridge. Sealed cartridge. I will address a little bit of the poor welds down here, for example, and it's all a little bit ugly, and I'm also going to go to shape the head tube, the seat tube a little bit. There's been some welding done down here, which is probably holding the mudguard. That will have to come off. Some of the holes are a little broken, so we're going to weld this. I'm also going to weld a chain tensioner on the right side. I'll get to that, all of it. Here's the hole, is plugged with dirt right there. I'm going to open this in a minute. And the first job will be to put some holes here. I will mark out the holes. It's much more for looks rather than for saving weight. I mean, it does save a couple of grams, but on a frame this heavy, I guess it's about 3 kilograms. I'll do a little bit of a holes too, but it looks cool. So very old style, pure, naked, solid frame that survived the elements and super bad abuse usually here in China. So still there, thread looks good, a lot of grime in here, it needs to be cleaned out. So I've marked out some of the holes that I'm going to drill. You have realized probably that you know, in this area even companies like Colnago would put some openings and put the logos in here, so somehow I am kind of like feeling safe about drilling holes. I'm going to drill a hole here, I'm going to drill a hole there, I'm going to drill 2 holes here, and I'm going to, as I said before, I'm going to drill some holes here in this area. So all I need to do is mark out where the hole is going to be. Then I'm going to use this kind of little hole punch machine. No, not hole punch machine. What do you call it? Whatever. It's kind of cool new device, as you've seen, so I like it. So get back to you later after some drilling.